guys, and welcome back to another video. And today's topic is how to make money by playing games. Making money by playing games has become a very viable revenue stream for many in the last few years, with so many different platforms to choose from and amazing games coming out. The video game industry has seen a massive increase in playing, where video games can be a great way to unwind and might end up becoming a great way to earn some extra money. We'll go through how to make money playing games in this video and include some platforms where you can get started. Can you make money by playing games? Yes, you can make money by playing games. There are a few different ways to make money through gaming, including playing online games, making video games content, or journalists participating in live content, professional gaming event, and live streaming their gameplay. How much money can you make by playing video games? The amount of money you can make playing video games will significantly vary depending on the kinds of games you play, the content you create, the platforms you use, and the amount of time you dedicate. Reports indicate that gamers earn anywhere between $20 an hour to $200 an hour for playing game, but there is no way to establish an average. However, these earnings can be increased by participating in activities such as game tournaments, which often offer cash prizes, and other insensitive game tournaments can play anywhere in the thousands of per tournament. How to make money playing video games? There are many opportunities to make your mark in the gaming industry and earn money while you're at it. Depending on your interest and time commitments, you can find your niche in video games and earn money for pursuing an internet gathered. Hip hop gamer Williams is a good example of this, and he started in 2007. We'll go through some of the top ways to make money with playing video games. And number one we have here is create a YouTube channel. When many avid game players make money in the gaming world via YouTube channel, you can run live streams or pre-recorded video games of your gameplay for others to watch as you go through the game. You can also post video game tutorials, review gamers, and general gaming tips on your YouTube channel to boost your following and monetize your channel. The way you will earn a percentage of ad revenue when your reviewers watch video and banner ads on your gaming videos. And become a video game developer. You'd rather be behind of scene and want to both be skilled players and game designers, then becoming a video game developer might be the right path for you. You can work with game design companies to create a new game and become a part of the video game industry, as you can earn money. Game developers work with a video game company to earn money, with the average salary being anywhere between $60,000 to $70,000 a year. You can browse job boards to understand what requirements are needed for a game developer, as each company will likely have to work will have different requirements. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.